on his way to Wilmington, North Carolina. First show of the season.
DOT, I do hard.
Who's your traveling partner?
Atlas.
I can't see Jim Negus.
Oh, it's Atlas.
Atlas.
Mr. Atlas, Tom.
Any predictions?
Yeah, no breakdowns all year.
Okay.
No rain.
Alright.
Bonus every other week.
Okay. So you think Wilmington's going to do well then, huh?
Oh, it sucks usually.
Oh, okay. Is Jim going to pick up any hitchhikers?
No.
Yeah?
No, that's against the law, Timmy. We'll be the first to tell you.
Huh. Alright. Here's Jim Nagy. Bob Parsons is BJ, Jim's the bear. BJ and the bear. I start her up, you nerd. Want to hear that big truck rolling? Oh, yeah, that's nice. Rolling out to Wilmington. Jim Nagy taking that final walk to make sure everything's okay for the big wave. Whoa, geez. Jim Nagy checking it out. Ready to go. Getting ready to pull out Bob Parsons for that. Heading up to Wilmington. That's Surrey. There he goes. Yep. All the excitement. Going out, first time out. Oh, look at that. Good driving. Good driving. Whoa! God, he's that cargo whipping right by. Well, here we are. It's springtime. Getting ready for the first show for a long, long season. Benny, Frank, Howard, and Pat are down in Titusville. And of course, we're up here in Wilmington. It is a festival air show. You see Tim Axelrod working hard, playing with Kim. Bob Parsons needs a haircut. Kim just flew in moments ago. It's a little windy out here, but it's sure spring weather. We did hear it snowing in Cleveland today.
You better look like something else than that.
Rather look like this than you. Guys are going to waste my whole day. I'll be cutting hair all day.
It's going to be a long year. It's a beautiful day here in Wilmington, and it's real difficult. Some people understand why they call it the Azalea Festival Air Show. I don't think it's that tough. Its historic homes, though, are fantastic. Right in the middle of one of the main intersections downtown, you've got this terrific fountain. Of course, one of the typical great showcase homes. There's our ice company. Town's wall-to-wall azaleas. that's a good sign for the show that's about to happen. You can sure spot azaleas in bloom anywhere. Of course, Wilmington has a great waterfront area. Parked in it is Battleship North Carolina. We've partied on that ship before. Well, here we are. It's a beautiful day at the Wilmington Air Show. Saturday morning, getting all set up to go, and of course we're being hassled to death by the local health department. Man, they are on us in a fierce way. But everything is absolutely perfecto at NCC at its finest. We'll see what happens. Of course, there's not much in static display out here. Oh, I did spot a couple. Of course, see one of our NCC Gift Center tents, all up and ready to go. A little short of labor, but they'll be here shortly. Of course, leave it to those sub-vendors. They're set up and ready to go, taking all the space. Prime locations. Giving away the house. Tim Axelrod's off to another year with his novelties. It's going to be a long year. Of course, we had to rent a local construction trailer. It's of disputable quality. Getting our office ready for Kim. Oh, what's this? You see somebody up to some mischief. Our man who always numbers and letters the tents is getting a little out of hand, numbering and lettering, or lettering the office. Uh-oh. That looks pretty mischievous. George, get out of here. Kim's coming.
Hey, who did this?
I don't know, Kim. I was just standing here and saw the letters. I thought it came with a trailer. Who do you think would possibly do something like that in the company?
Try Bob Parsons.
Do you think it's Bob Parsons?
Could be, but you know, house is spelled right. Probably George.
Stop. You think it's George? They have to take a master's degree to do that. George is probably the culprit. He was always the company prankster.
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll look out for him. Be careful, Kim. Because he's, you never know with that George. He's probably not out watching the stands anyway. All right.
Hey.
Parsons, probably.
Did I see glue on your fingers?
Ooh, I told you she was. Parsons, probably.
House is spelled right.
Oh, well.
I'd say Tim. Tim Axelrod.
Come on, George. I don't know. It looks stylish. Might be Tim. Nah. Close users. Hey, Frank Euler is not here.
Yeah.
Frank Euler, so if Frank were here, it would definitely be a Frank trick.
That's true.
I don't know.
I
Well,
suspect Tim Axelrod.
I kind of like it though. It's coming.
well, Kim, enjoy your office. Have a nice day with it. Well, we had a busy day today, and of course, here we go. One of those novelty tents got to get moved out. Tim Axelrod won't sell for anything less than in-hand sales, so they're off in the sunset. Relocating novelty tent X. Jim Nagy's leading the pack. Tim's following on the corner smoking. The ever-skilled Bob Parsons is driving. And Tim Open Cars is going along for the ride. Now, I know you guys got no plans on Saturday night.
Now.
Surpass Ed Collins in the stealth tent. Heading to its new home. The weather's beautiful today. It was very, very sunny. Looking forward to a really great tomorrow. Talk to you tomorrow.
Christian, let's get up.
Hey guys. Everybody's really working hard. Jim Nagy's playing the radio and Bobby's driving the tent, I'll tell you. It's the way it goes. Jim Nagy's doing his Tim Open car imitation.
This is how easy it is for Bobby to carry a tent.
Yep. Tim Axelrod, why are we moving this tent?
Because it's put in a bad location. Gotta make money.
Gotta make money for the novelty division.
Gotta make money.
Okay.
This decision was not authorized by Chris. It was authorized by me.
That's right. The new owner of the company.
Where's he going, Tim? Going over across that one, right? Yeah. That way, Bob.
Havoc? Guys are taking over to put it on top of the Thunderbird planes. Don't do that. Well, we're batting down the hatches at the NCC commissary and the office at Wilmington, otherwise known as the HAG House. Well, it's closing time. And here we are going to the HAG House to see if all the cash boxes are turned in.
Hello.
Hi there.
Welcome to the HAG House.
Oh, there's two hags in the house.
Yes, there is.
I see.
Kind of like a hag farm.
There's a hag and hagette. Who's the head hag? I mean the hag head.
Who do you think the head hag is?
Ooh.
I'm a hag in training.
Hag in training? Does that mean H-I-T?
Yes.
Oh, H-I-T, huh? Okay. Boy. Well, Kim handled things just nicely in the office today, right? This is a very deluxe
All
office.
kinds of, you want to show Kim
We tend to like the
Chris
flooring.
that compliment? Tell Chris about that compliment I got today?
Oh yeah, there's a compliment here.
Oh, there's a compliment?
George got.
You sure it was not handed to the wrong office?
Yeah.
What kind of compliment? Compliment about...
Says George was the best supervisor ever. Trailer number 12.
Whose handwriting is it? Is it George's?
It's kind of skeptical. It looks a little like George's.
We'll have to pull up a personnel file and do a handwriting
Might have
analysis.
to.
Could well be.
Because the woman says she knows nothing about it, and she said she might want to sue for forgery. So.
Boy, oh boy. Well, okay, we'll have Tim Axelrod inspect that and come
I
back
want
with
you
a...
to Tim look at it.
That'd
You
be
think
something
so?
to-
Yeah.
When
Okay.
he gets back in Cleveland, he can research that.
Check that and see. We'll see what handwriting signed for the care package it was sent. We can
That's
compare
right.
the signature analysis on
That's
that one. Right?
Georgia Tim Axelrod. Has ice cream stand number 32 been moved yet?
It's moved, brother. We're gone. We're done for the day.
Alright, thank you. Where exactly did you move it? I need to find it tomorrow.
Fine, it's still in your area. You'll see it.
Could you put a big red X on it for me? It's gotta be something.
See it.
Thanks, Tim. You're a pal.
Whenever you're done, we've got more stuff to do.
Bobby,
What?
where's your mini?
Back there. Needs to be back.
All right, we'll do that tomorrow.
It's getting all fuzzy. Georgie made it all fuzz.
Jim. Bobby.
We're going to secure the HAG
Another day
House.
at the hag house.
Okay, comes Jim Nagy blocking the meeting over. We're gonna block the HAG House.
A little closer, Dad. A little closer, Dad.
Good thing Tim's not driving. Timmy's skills aren't too bad. He's trained by Bob Parsons.
That's a lot.
Let me get ready to call the insurance company. You got their number, Tim? That's where he gets out. Oh, you missed the best part.
Oh, good. Oh, I'm getting out.
Him getting out. Watch this. You know, U-Haul trucks are getting more and more creative and contemporary these days. As a matter of fact, here in Wilmington, we're looking at one of the latest designs as a tribute to the Olympics. Wow, that's pretty incredible. George, what do you think about that truck?
Tim, what do you think? What's your mind about?
Kind of reminds me
Hey,
of
these are 6 tons, Tim.
Nancy Kerrigan.
Wow,
Come on!
that's great, the Nancy Kerrigan truck.
You're next. You're next. Health department.
We're here at Wilmington riding in the mini mover with Tim Open Car. We're going out on bee patrol. Bob Parsons called in and a queen bee landed
As you can see, a few in front of us.
in the field, and bees are now coming in by the drove to land in there. So we have a real problem apparently.
Okay, as we have people on our right.
Trying to discover which tent has the queen bee in it and the problem. There they are at the pizza trailer.
Okay, we'll drive through it all.
You stop. Is that where you are?
Stop here.
Yeah. And we have found them all around Ricky's pizza trailer. Swarms of bees.
Don't.
There is the queen bee. Bob, what do we have here?
This one's a little plain white 10. Killer bees brought it down. I don't think I want to sign up for that vacation.
I don't think so either. There's a brave man to stand there bareback next to all of them. A man of nature. Anything can happen here at the Wilmington Air Show. Here we go again, Bob.
Yeah?
I'll drive it out, Chris.
That's a good idea, Tim. I don't know how we're going to solve this problem.
Well, if we're gonna put it on the truck, you're gonna put it on the truck.
Hey, it's your section, isn't it?
No way.
Okay.
We'll get Jim Nagy over here. Watch your radio. Jim Nagy, set that thing on my truck and I'll drive it out of here. Bob, set it on the truck. I'll drive it out of here. Seriously. I won't get out, but I'll drive it out.
Well, you get out and put it on your
Negatory. That's what we gotta do.
There's got to be 5,000 bees in the area. More than that, swarming all over the place because of this.
Lock your door, would you, Chris? Please.
Lock my door.
They're gonna do something. That's what you gotta do, though. Man, that kid'll do it. He don't care.
I know.
Go ahead.
I know we got the bees. Now all we're looking for is the birds.
Yeah, Bobby's gonna do something here.
Here goes Bob Parsons, National Concession. You want to see bravery in action? This is wall-to-wall bees at Wayne Ridgely's table. Bob Parsons in action, lifting an entire crop of 1,000 bees. Talk about hazard pay.
He's got him on his shirt. He's got one on his shirt. Tell him. Tell him. Tell him. Oh my God! It's still on there. That was a good idea. Bob, that was a good idea, man. Get that thing out of here.
See what happened? It's one of the giveaway things. I can't get it picked up.
Guys, there's probably not much we can do with it.
What do you want? You ready to hood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we'll drive it out
No,
of here.
don't. Oh, no, I don't think you can. Don't get in the ground. Hold your windows up? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Take it.
They can't get in, can they?
Let's take it out of here. Push it up. We're going to try to drive the queen out of here to get this massive amount of bees out from these tents.
Can they get in here somehow?
Tim, I'm recording. Just drive and drive slowly. Don't let it blow off, okay? Let's take it way to the back.
Okay.
Go way up the taxiway.
This
You know,
way?
on the taxiway up here. We'll go way back behind the KC-10 and dump it in the field.
I'm gonna go to back way.
Uh-huh. Tim Open Car's driving very slowly and very carefully. This is history being made for NCC. Can he save the whole Wilmington Air Show by getting to that
Just
queen
make
bee?
sure that none of them get in here.
Oh, I think there's one on the dash.
Come on.
Okay. Sorry.
Now, Tim, it's on your truck. How do you expect to get it off? You can drive on the ground, the way in the brakes, let it go flying off.
That's exactly what I'm doing. Or I'll just speed up and hit my wipers.
You can head off to the right by where our Concessions to the woods over that way instead of going through where the people are.
What do you think, Chris? That way? Chris, I'm gonna go out that way.
That's fine. These guys on the radio.
Damn, you're gonna have nightmares tonight.
Hang a left, just get on the pavement.
I'm gonna go straight ahead, Chris.
Go straight ahead, then we'll cut left. Tim Open Car could save the whole Wilmington Air Show. I see that practical joker Tim Axelrod going toward the commissary. There he is. Trying to get the Queen Bee out of here to save the whole air show. Tim Open Car.
There's one in the truck.
What if the door flies open? If they figure out how to get in, they're gonna get you. These are all honeybees. Go straight out in this field. We'll get way out in the field. We'll hit the gas, speed up, hit the brake slider off.
Okay, if we can get by this nice bump
Okay.
here,
Oh,
though.
okay. Just watch the bumps. That's all.
Oh my. Oh my.
Be careful, you drop this. If you drop this, I'm opening the door and running. I'll leave my door open. Tim Open Car is facing his worst nightmares.
Oh, slow down, brother. I'll fall off.
Okay, to your left.
Oh, it's gonna fall.
Okay, so far.
Oh, Chris.
The heck with Wayne Ridgely's contest and his sign-ups for the vacation.
Coming into some heavy tundra.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta watch out for my
can-
own self
You
here.
can probably deposit out here.
Well, let me get over this bump because I need a little space here.
Okay.
I hope there's enough free vacation for all them bees. They're gonna be mad.
Okay, Chris, are we ready?
Okay.
Seatbelt on?
I am ready. Go ahead and accelerate and then just hit the brakes and let's give it a go. It is off. They are not.
They're not leaving, Chris.
We have a big problem.
Hold on, they gotta get some
Yeah, they're
senses.
swarming.
Okay,
Try it one more time.
okay, let me back up a little more.
Mm-hmm. Just gonna go toward it. Stop. Let's see. No, they're sticking to it.
All right, let me,
Give them probably a second to just kind of leave one at a time.
okay,
We got a hood full of bees on this U-Haul. They're leaving one at a time, Tim.
okay.
Just stay where you are.
If I throw those wipers on.
No, you don't really need to. Let them just pick up and go. Well, Tim Open Car just got the queen bees out in the field and saved the show. Tim Open Car, of all people, he saved the
That's
show.
great, Tim. Thanks.
Isn't that incredible?
Yeah.
He moved the queen.
I heard the Queen was in town. I thought Connie had shown up.
Yeah, no, she should be in New York. I don't think she flew in. Oh well. Tim Axelrod getting his pickups back from the HAG House.
There he is. Star of the day, right there.
Star of the day, he is.
Yay,
One
all
pickup.
right.
One pickup for a
Congratulations.
lot of bees saved. On the hood of a mini mover.
Pick up. I only got one. I gotta get my other two. Hey, this is so cute.
Oh, we're tearing down a successful Wilmington and
We had one down.
Tim's leading the load. Tim and his helpers. Yankees in control of that trailer. It's amazing. Eddie Murphy's working for us this year too. Eddie Murphy and Jim Navy.